welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I clean out my rat cage and pretty much what I put back in it and what I use to clean it, that kind of thing. So, and these are my little ratties. Now this is Pepper. She is my beautiful, beautiful brown rat. Aren't you? You used to be a mommy, and I got you from a little pet shop. So I got her from my work, and she's just such a darling. I love Pepper so much. She is about 3 years old, so you're getting there, aren't you, Miss Pips? Hey? I used to have my rats running around in all of my videos, but now, just with the structure of my house, it's a bit harder because you don't all run around my room now. Do you know? No. She's like, I'm ready, I'm ready. Come on. They're all having a snooze at the moment, so then I don't know if they're gonna come out. Come on. Come on, Jessie. I know you want to come out. Come on, darling. Oh, you're so sleepy. You're so sleepy. Come out. Oh, come on. They're not wanting to come out. They're like, I'm busy. This one is Jessie. And Jessie is such a wee darling as well. She actually is... You're not siblings, are you? But she's got her litter mate Bruno, who's a boy. He's fixed to go with all these wee girls. But yeah, this one is Jessie, and she is a beautiful little hooded rattie. She is adorable, but I rescued them both because the owner was actually going to set them free outside, which you cannot do with domesticated rats. So I have Jessie and Bruno. Are you going to go back in there and snuggle everyone? Hey? So then I've got Penelope here. She's not as friendly as the others. We are kind of building our trust. She's a beautiful little grey little baby, and I got her when Pepper's litter mates died, and so I got her, and they've been best friends, but she's just a little bit spooked to humans, aren't you? You're just a little bit spooked. You don't really like being handled that much, do you? You're doing well. You are. You really are. You can see the camera? You're beautiful and grey. Yeah, you are. Should we go back into your house now? Here we go. They love their house so much. Even when they have outside time, they just crawl back in. They're just like, hi Mum, I'm going back in the house now. Aren't you? Yes. Yes, you are. This is Bruno. He is massive. He is a massive rat. So he's a boy, and he used to have his little nutties, but he's been neutered now so he can live with his little female girls. But him and Jessie, they came together. They've been pretty much inseparable, but they also do love Pepper and Penelope as well. Bruno is really close with Pepper, and Penelope is also really close with Jessie as well. But as you can see, they love going in their little cage. And you guys, oh, you see little... Here's my Pepsi. Here's my little Pepsi. Here is my wee rat cage here. And I'm in a room that I can let them out to go run around in. And this is wee Pepper. Hey, my darling. Hey. Oh, little Bruns. Bruns. So I'm just going to open it up and let them just go out. And then I'm going to start by getting a bag. And just kind of filling it with all the trash and all the old newspaper, toys, that kind of thing. And pulling it all out. Also, anything that is made of material that could hold wees, I get all that out as well. So I've also got these lighting clips that I actually use to clip a lot of their things onto the cages as well. It's really good for if you want to stick on materials or stick on other things that wouldn't normally stick to it. Because just with the bars that I've got on this cage, it's really hard to stick normal things on there just simply because they're not made for these types of cages. This is just your kind of bird cage. It's not like your normal kind of rat cage. I've just versatiled it. So I do have AstroTurf as well in here that I do like to use. So what I do is I actually have another piece that I clean and I use it in between, and then I swap them out while I do my cleans. So I just kind of get this piece, roll it up. I always put newspaper underneath to absorb any weeds that go through. I just empty it into my bag of rubbish. Get any poos off it, any debris off it. And then I'll put it into a sink to wash it, and then I scoop up this newspaper here. And then as you can see, the cage is clear, so it's clean, it's emptied out. So then what I do is I get a bunch of baby wipes, just your generic baby wipes. With rats, it's really hard if you do spray a large smelling spray or a high smelling spray, just because you don't want anything too fruity, because it can actually really hurt them because they can't process smells that well. So I just use a non-fragrance baby wipe, make sure it's really, really soaking wet, and just give it a good wipe down. So rats are generally clean. I have got a litter tray for them, and that tends to hold all their wees. With Bruno, because he is a boy, he kind of just leaks, so I do give the cage a clean on the outside as well and wipe it all down, just to get rid of any yuckies that have been caused from him just kind of leaking on the bars, that kind of thing. And then I always wipe down each of these surfaces on the top and bottom, just to kind of get rid of any residue that could be on there as well. And this way you're not hurting them with any strong smells. It's all nice and clean for them, and it's not going to hurt their breathing or anything like that. In the top here, they've got their little Sputnik houses, so I just make sure I give them a wipe as well in case they get little wheeze on the inside. So then what I do is get fresh newspaper, and I'll place it down the bottom. Everyone's on the paper now. I'm going to put fresh newspaper down in there. Put another sheet just for good measure. So on the bottom you can kind of put anything you want. I do like putting the AstroTurf on there just simply because it looks nicer. It kind of looks like grass. It's soft on them. You just got to make sure that they don't chew it. You want some help? You want some help? I'm trying to make your house nice and clean. You gotta get on that side. Good girl. Right, and then that's nice and clean. And then I'll pop their litter tray back in there that they like to use. And then what I do with this is I clip it to the side just to make sure it doesn't shift around too much. With those clips like that. Come on, Burns. Then just in here I like to fill this with newspaper for them so they can kind of hang out. So I get the newspaper and I tear it in a downwards direction like this. And then I'll kind of mix it all together like this. Try and fluff it up. And then I'll just start pushing it into there. Because you want to always do something to stimulate their brain. That's why I've got these chewable danglies from there as well. And then you can put some ladders in there for them. A ladder down here is always good so they can kind of run back onto the ground. Always want some kind of form of chewable ladder or something that they can chew. They want something chewable. And then I like putting in a little like side house for them to hide under if they wanted to. And always I like putting some form of hammock or something inside This is like their favourite one. I put a hammock here for them. It's a nice low-bearing hammock. So I'm just feeding them down here at the moment. I have put some custard yogurt in there. I have put some baby food here. I've put some cat food here. There are some beans and rolled oats here, some corn chopped up back there. Then I have some sunflower seeds, which they are just obsessed with. So I'm going to put some over here by the water. Just got the water to the side here. And then I've got over here some Vita Farm rat mix, which they really like as well. It's got all the nutrients that they need. But it appears that Penelope is not coming down. I like to also give them a wash with just normal kind of shampoo wipes for them. Just some peach shampoo wipes, give them a wee wash, and they tend to just not really bothered by it. They're just like, meh, alright, wash me. That's fine. Wash me, Mom. So the little Jessie is down there enjoying her bits. Penelope's coming down. Pepper's coming down. Bruno's over here having a wee scratch. Ooh, Bruno. So everyone's coming down to see what's going on. But yes, these are my 4 little ratties. They get on like a house on fire. They've only fought probably about once. And that was when I was first introducing them, just to kind of see who's the dominant one. But you can see that Bruno and Jessie are just so adorable together. Honestly, they're just so freaking cute. Penelope's like, what about me? I'm cute too. Like, let me in, let me in. She's like, I need to go to the toilet. Don't look at me, go Donnie. Hey, baby. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning out my rat cage and learning a bit more about rats and them being so cute and everything. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see any more about my rats and how I look after them, maybe how I bath them, how I do any of that. Let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!